Okay, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland. For those of you watching these videos chronologically, the last one, which was the hobby shop, I thought there was a new Dodge casting in it, but it's actually in this one. So vintage ad car, Series 8 from GreenLight here. This is an unopened case. I buy them from 3000 Toys just to see if I can pull a green machine to annoy me, and then I have to buy the regular. So anyway, new casting in this series here. It's the late 80s, early 90s Dodge. Kind of looking forward to it. It was announced probably almost 2 years ago, and looks like it's gonna be the first one. All right, so it's an 82 Dodge Ram D150 Prospector. That is a, let's see, let's check it out here. And the wheels are decent sized wheels. Good job, GreenLight. Okay, nice. I like it there. It's got the usual GreenLight kind of crooked bed, but that's okay. Overall, I dig it. Cool, man. All right, I guess we're done here. Just kidding. All right, next up is a 73 Ford F100 Explorer, another themed pickup truck here. This one's got bed rails. It's in orange. Cool. And this bed actually tilts down. So, nice. Okay, ready? One up, one down. Cool. All right, and again, nice sized tires there. Oh, God, this is hideous. All right, 74 thing. And looks like it's something out of Dr. Seuss here. All right, got a canopy top there. I don't even know what this is. Okay. And I'm a Volkswagen guy, and that casting is ridiculous. Ooh, this is pretty. 49 Buick Roadmaster. Color is a little off in the video here, but this is a very nice teal. It's got a red interior. That's a sharp casting. Tires are nice. Nice bold grille up front. That's nice. That's really nice. Okay, next up is 91 GMC Sonoma in blue. And these are enormous tires. See what I'm talking about there? See, they're very wide. All right, this one's cool. Dual exhaust. Oh, little stubby mirrors there. Cool. I like it. And last up is, oh, that's right, I forgot. Is 89 Ford Taurus. This is a cool casting. It's so boring, it's cool. Can't wait till they do the show. Decent tires there. Probably a little too thick, but that's all right. Could be worse. Accurate wheel covers. And they're different from the last ones, too, which is really neat. So I applaud GreenLight for this. All right, very cool. So that's your vintage ad car Series 8. Thanks for viewing, and enjoy.